Hello guys, so Billion Network has this new update where you have to migrate your bills for airdrop rewards. Remember, I think the farming ended last year, and now you have to, they are shifting to a new domain, and you have to protect your power level and activity history to stay eligible for bills airdrop migration. Complete the migration. So I'm just getting to see this. I'm just going to log into my Billion Network portal and see what the migration is. This is just an update for everyone that farmed Billion Network airdrop. They've not listed. Now they shifted to a new domain. So you have to migrate to that new domain for your airdrop to be counted. Like they're moving from one particular domain to another domain. So in the course of doing that, if you want to be eligible for airdrop, you have to also migrate your points, reward, badges, everything that you did while farming the airdrop. You have to migrate to the new domain. So I want to log in now to see what it looks like. I'll be dropping the link to migrate in the description box of this video. So if you found Billion Network airdrop last year, do this according to the instruction. Okay, so guys, it looks like it was an automatic migration. When I logged into my using the link, the migration link, I saw this one. It's bring this. I'll just click on continue. This was my earnings during the airdrop. So this is a notification video for you to do the needful, because even if you do not continue like this, despite they've migrated, you will not be able to receive the airdrop. I think it's loading. Okay, as you bring in timeouts while on migration, let me refresh and log in again. Okay, migration successful. Then we have okay, they have this campaign trial reward. This is another airdrop. I know about this airdrop. I don't know why I'm not even familiar with this trial reward. If you sign up on Tria, then you can come here to claim the badge. You can see campaign, register a Tria account and get 5 bills. Then this one, activates your first Tria card and get 800 bills plus $10 upon card activation. So meaning that here, for this Tria reward, after you sign up, you get the card, you fund your card, then you come back to this Billion Network to claim the reward, 800 bill plus $10. So that's how this Tria is a third-party campaign on the Billion Network website. If you want to participate in this one, then this particular one, they have airdrop too. This Tria, maybe I will just continue to. I will just get involved with it. They have airdrop. This Tria reward. Okay, I'm saying reward. Get basic badge. Let me see. Okay, there is some. Wow. I have 2 to claim here. Email ownership, custom email claim. So make sure, don't just assume you have got you are done with it. Just scroll and see if you have any pending thing that you've not claimed. Do a quick selfie check to prove that you are a human is present. Uniqueness verification is permanent and can only be performed. Okay. There's a verification is asking. Let me check if it's something we need to review. Official profile, claim basic badge. Basic badge shows the device belongs to a unique user with a verified email. Okay. Welcome to this claim basic badge. No longer available. I think their website is kind of slow though. Just make sure you do what I asked to do. Like, we found this for months, so I don't want to hear story that because you know migrate, you're not eligible. Every form of ineligible. Back to saying we are not doing ineligible this 2026. Those ineligible has to remain in 2025. For every airdrop here now, you have to be eligible. That's it. And that's a period. So I don't know why this one is loading. I'm seeing one verification thing that I should do selfie. I want to check. Okay, I think that's not verified. Have I done this one? It's telling me to claim. Let me just claim. I don't know if I've done it or not. So I'll just allow it to load. If I've not done it, that means do a quick selfie check to prove that you are a unique human. Okay, I'll have to do selfie here. You can see. I'm going to record myself to do this selfie. Let me see what is going to go. Guys, you see, proof of uniqueness scan completed successfully. So I did that selfie video thing. You can use your PC, you can do it on mobile. Just follow the instruction to make sure you do the right thing. So let me see what else we need to do here. If you know anyone that did billion network airdrop last year 2025, then make sure you share this video to them so they know what to do on the website when they log in. Make sure you tell your downline, tell everybody that needs to get information about this. Everybody must be eligible. I want to see screenshots of Venice. Okay, so we still have claim your ID documents, premium badge on your profile, custom names and other benefits. I'm saying claim. There are a lot of tasks here, sincerely. Telegram, X, Discord. Are we connecting? Looks like we are connecting. ID documents. Am I doing something here? Okay, claim on mobile. I'll do this on my phone. Let me go back to the other one task. Looks like this is another verification thing. Let me do this X. Maybe I'm supposed to connect my X account and all of that. The website is kind of slow, so you have to give it time. So be sure you do everything they ask you to do, actually. Okay. Let's see what this X is about. Verify X, I can click on. Okay. Let me click on verify. I see. I think here now you have to link your X. It has opened. Let's see. This site is very slow. Okay, so guys, I've completed the social verification. So here they want me to add full name and country. So let me check for this claim your ID documents credentials. Let's see what they're asking me. Okay, claim on mobile. Let me continue. I'll just continue. I think here I'll have to submit my documents. Preferably, it has to be international passport. But I'll first of all try using my new ID for Nigerians. I'll first of all try using my new ID, NIN ID for Nigerians. Then if it doesn't work, I'll use my international passport to complete this one. So I think that will be all at the moment for this billion network. So after the verification, if I see any new task, I will go ahead and complete it. After that, ID documents something. If I don't see anyone, that means that's all. They did not explain the deadline for this task. They didn't mention the deadline. So I can't tell when you should start or when you should not start. Just make sure as soon as you are seeing this video and you know you participated in the Billion Network airdrop farming last year, go ahead and complete all of the verification thing you'll be seeing on your dashboard. So that's all. Share this to your downlines as well. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you guys in the next one, and bye for now.